Good morning, children. Next, we will see the concepts of file and the folder. What do you mean by file? It is a collection of data in the form of a text or a picture or a music or a video or a document, any part that we will be calling it as a file. Okay, it as a means file as a name, location, size, and the date of its creation. Okay, the icons of MS Word, MS PowerPoint, Notepad and the Paint files are as follow. Means a file is a collection of data in the form of, it will be in the form of a text wise or in the picture wise or in the form of a music or a video. And each file, if you are saving any file, it has a name, isn't it right? It has a name, location, size and the date of its creation. For example, if you are new admissions in the school or if you go to the school, the teacher will call by your name, right? From which place you are coming. Okay, then from where is means what is where you have birth, everything, the details will be collected by the teachers, right? Like that, the file also, each file will contains a name, location and the size and date of its creation. Then these are the icons. This we call it as an MS Word file and this we call it as an MS PowerPoint. This is Notepad and this is the Paint window. Okay, next we will see the naming a file, how we will be naming a file. A file name has a two parts, a file name and in the extension, means the file name has a two parts, a name and the extension. This we call it as a file name and this we call it as an extension. Means there is a dot between the two parts but no space. There is no, we should not give any space, only we should enter the dot. Then a file name can be up to 255 characters including the space. What the file name you are giving, it should be, it can be 255 characters, it will be involved. So when we are giving the file name, here they have given computer.doc. This we call it as an extension and this we call it as a file name. Have you got, children? Now next we will see the how to create a file. How to create a file? A file can be created in any program in Windows. Means after completing a task, you have to save your work and give it a name. A file will get created. Suppose, see here you can see this we call it as a file. Okay, suppose if you are created a file or you are saved your document, that file we will be calling it as a creating a file. Okay, a file is saved on the hard disk or any other storage devices such as CD, DVD or a pen drive. It can store, a file can be stored in the CDs or DVDs or a pen drives, any other things, okay, on the hard disk, that we call it as a file. Here it is file. Have you got now how to creating a file? Next we will see the folder. A folder is used to store files as well as other folders inside it. Means a folder can use to store the file or any other file folders also it can be stored, means it can be stored in that folder. This we call it as an folder icon. See, you can see in the my picture or also some other folders can be created. In the under the my picture there are subfolders, isn't it right? In this subfolders also some other files will be there, that we call it as a folder. A folder that lies within another folder is called a subfolder. Means if one folder inside that in another folder, if it is there, that we call it as a subfolder. Next we will be seeing how to create a folder. First you have to right click anywhere on the desktop. See, this is the desktop. You have to right click on anywhere on the desktop. A pop-up menu appears. This is the pop-up menu will be appear. Under that you have to select the new. After if you select the new, another drop down, means select the folder from the drop down menu. Here another drop down menu will be there. Under that you have to select the folder. A new folder will be created on the desktop with the name of the new folder. Then see, you can see your new folder, the if it will be present. If you press enter, it will be opened. Then you can give like a renaming a folder. Okay, that we will be seen renaming a folder in the next class. Each file and the folder has a unique name. You can create a new folder within another folder or on a drive. Means within one folder you can create another folders also. This lines says. Have you got children? And it has a file and the file and the folder as a some unique names also. Thank you.